What's good, everybody? Brian Tong here, and this is a crazy unboxing. The Sony PS5. Thanks to my friends at Sony for sending me this package of goodies to just unbox and get a first look at. We also have the Pulse 3D wireless headset over here. We've got a DualSense controller. We've got the HD camera. This is going to be a little wild here. So look, I first want to show you with the PS5 console, just to give you an idea of like how big this thing is. This is about a third of my body. This bad boy right here. So we're going to delicately open this and look. If you're all trying to see the serial numbers here, I blocked them out with black tape, so you can't do that. So let me just crack this open. You got to have a handy knife or a little blade here. Whoops, let me flip this over. This thing is so big. The console, that is. And I'm just gonna do a little sliceroo. Man, I mean, to be a part of this, feel very fortunate, super exciting. Let's just, okay, let's see what we can do here. This is not easy, guys and gals. Okay. Step one, unbox the box. Okay, I'm gonna put that down nicely. All right, step two, let's get that nice fatty logo there for y'all. Okay, I'll put this flat now. Hopefully, I'm opening the right direction. All right. I'm not a professional at this, obviously. Here we go. Okay. Step two, slide the bigger box out. Okay, let's start off here because it's so big. Okay. This is how big it is. Okay. We've got the power cable. Ooh, power cable. Very important here, okay? This is sexy right here. This is some of the hotness right here. I'm just gonna put this down so you can see it better. Okay. Look at what I'm unveiling here right now. This is the DualSense control. This is the first time that I've touched it. I mean, it's like narrower here in the arms. It feels really nice to hold. You know, I think that when I look at this, it's kind of like a blank canvas. So I could imagine us kind of really being able to customize this and almost like decal up. But ooh, it feels so good. And I think the special thing about this is, look, it's going to have super haptics in it that kind of have different sensitivities, different sensations, whether you're like plodding through the snow or mud, or whether you're making a cut or your sneakers are hitting the hardwood. This is probably like, to me, kind of like the sleeper gadget of this whole system. That's kind of not, of course, we're gonna have the amazing graphics and games, but I think this is gonna really enhance how we play the games even more. So look at this thing. This is beautiful. I love this. So right now, if you want to get these separately, all the accessories that I have here, the Pulse 3D headset and the DualSense and the HD camera, they're gonna be available October 30th. The console, November the 12th. Okay, this got a good weight to it too. Real good weight. Okay. We've got our instruction manuals that we're not going to read. We've got instruction manuals in Espanol that I'm also not going to read. Adios. Okay. We'll take out this first chunk. Am I forgetting anything here? I may be. Oh, this is important stuff, y'all. This is just a zoo here. This is just a zoo. All right. We've got HDMI cable. Very nice. We've got the USB-C cable. So one thing I forgot to mention about the DualSense is that this charges through USB-C. Really cool other features here. It has an integrated speaker, so it's going to be more impactful. This is right here. You've also got like an actual microphone hole here on the controller, and then you also have like a spot to put in a 3.5mm headphone jack. Phones don't got it. DualSense got it. Real slick. Okay, so we got that. Let's see what else we got in here. I believe this is a stand. This will help be like a stand for the PS5. I've never seen this before. Ladies and gentlemen, a stand here. Stand for you folks. Okay, cool. Let's keep on cracking it open. Oh man, this is a little crazy. How am I gonna do this? How am I gonna reveal this carefully? Oh, so carefully. Oh, so sweet. Jeez, okay. Little by little, inch by inch. Ooh, ooh. Ah. Yes, yes, very nice. Very nice. Oh, looky what we have here. Okay. I don't know about y'all, but I'm getting hyped. Never seen this before in the flesh. I know I'm taking my time, but you gotta understand. Ooh, this thing is a big boy. This is beefy too. Ugh. Gonna unwrap the wrap. I don't even know which way is up right now. Gonna wrap the wrap. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. Oh, this is the hotness. This is the Sony PS5. Look at how big this thing is. This is bigger than textbook. This is also about a third of my body. This is crazy. Okay. Let me just kind of take this all in. It does kind of remind me of Sauron. Put the eye of Sauron right on top. Wow. This is juicy. So what we have here on the, man, I don't know how to even describe it. It's like this, it looks like a futuristic sculpture building tower. I mean, I'll be honest with you, I have a room that's like kind of themed out white, so I think this is gonna fit in quite nicely. I don't know, that's not the case for everybody at home, like to have like, you know, kind of all white everything, but I mean, I can only imagine just this right next to your TV. It's so huge. This is freaking awesome. Okay, I'm gonna put this down here. Make sure I'm putting it down the right way. You'll also be able to see here, obviously, this is the Blu-ray disc player. So this is the 4K Blu-ray disc player edition. This is $4.99. You've got a standard USB, a USB-C in the front. You've got your power button and your eject over here. And then on this back side, I'm not sure if y'all can see, but we have 2 more USB ports and Ethernet, HDMI, and power. Wow. I don't know what to say. This is gorgeous. Damn. I'm kind of like, it's kind of crazy to know that like I have this in the flesh. Like, this is it. This is the jam. Whew. This is beautiful. All right. So we know we're going to have 4K, 120 frames per second, 120 hertz, HDR gaming, even it will support 8K as well. Supports like library of, I think somewhere around like 90+% of the PlayStation 4 library of games. We've got a solid state drive, hard drive on here. Oh my goodness. AMD Zen 2's CPU, 8 cores up to 3.5 gigahertz. And then you've got the 16 gigs of GDDR6 RAM. I think it's what, over 10 teraflops of power. So this is gonna be a beast. You know, there's gonna be a lot of cool. I can just look at how big this is. I can just chill here. Even this is my baby. I'm a rockabye baby. Oh, this is so sweet. Okay, so this is the PS5. Obviously, I'll be plugging it in and testing it out later. But let's get to some of the other cool things we have here. I'm just gonna. Where should I put it? Should I just stand this right next to me here? How does that? Does that look fancy? It almost fell off the edge. Okay, let's just put it like here, yeah, like here. Okay, cool. You just hang out there. Okay, so I'm really excited about this too. You know, I talked about the DualSense controller, but I think the DualSense and then the Pulse 3D wireless headset, they're gonna kind of complement each other because you get kind of like this tactile experience that we've never had before in games. And again, I think this is the sleeper device of kind of the whole system. But then here with the Pulse 3D headset, you know, this is going to support 3D audio, and, you know, not everyone's going to have a crazy surround sound speaker setup at home, but, ooh, come on, man. Am I really having trouble here? Open. There we go. Okay. Oh, yes, okay. Let's just, like, scoot this over here for now. Okay. Yeah, good. Okay, good boy. All right. Here it is, the Pulse 3D wireless headset. It's gonna come with a bunch of stuff here. Now this is really special too. Again, it's 3D audio. Look, when we unbox, we just throw it all around. Let's just see how these feel. They actually feel a lot lighter than the previous headphones. Which side's right? Which side's left? That's always out. Here we go. The right and the left are on here, okay? So, what do you think? Do you think I'll look good at this? I'm gonna tell you right now, this whole ensemble here, I'm gonna call it right now. I'm probably doing the best dressed unboxing. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. You got the still image right here. Okay, not really. But these are pretty light. I think the ear cups could be a little softer, but what I like about these is, ooh, that's even good with it before I take them, before I even turn them on. These are gonna have noise canceling. There's 2 microphones in here for noise canceling. You'll also, there's somewhere in here, I better find it. There's a wireless adapter. Oh, it's probably in here. That allows you to connect this to actually play with either a PS4 or PS5. Yeah, this little bad boy. Do not lose this, Brian. Do not lose this. So this allows us to talk to both systems. These are going to be $99, and then also available October 30th, if you can find them. Okay. Quite honestly, I could mess with this. Wait, what do you think about that? Am I wearing the right way? No, this way. What do you think? Profile? Profile? Damn, this is really cool. Okay, so Pulse 3D wireless headset. Oh, I forgot to let you know that not only does it charge through USB-C, these also have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Our phones don't, but these headphones do. Okay, we got the power cable, the headphone connector to go into the controller if you want a physical connection, and then USB-C for charging. Okay, this is a zoo, guys and gals. Let's go. We already have a DualSense controller, so I'm just gonna put this here to make it look like nice, like you have the box and the DualSense right next to each other, so it's just kind of like stylish. But I mean, Sony hooked me up with 2 of these, so since I'm here by myself, I can just play by myself still. This is, I don't know, this is just amazing. I'm just gonna play this whole video. I don't even care, because you can choose to watch it or not. But I mean, I'd watch it. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Put this out of the way, put this out of the way, put this out of the way. This is the HD camera. Jeez, this is a mess. I'm gonna have to figure this out. I'm gonna watch this video to figure out how to reorganize this. Okay. Ooh, this is kind of slick looking. Okay, so dual 1080p cameras here. All right. It has its own kind of stand attachment, so you can either put it on the bottom, you know, kind of like underneath your TV down here, or if you open it up, it clings so it can kind of hang out on the edge of your TV. So 2 ways to do this. It also connects via USB. There's going to be like some sort of an adapter I read that allows it to be compatible, or some sort of VR adapter that allow it to be compatible with your PlayStation VR headset. Whew, so this is the cool thing about this also, that this takes advantage of Sony PS5's kind of technology to remove the background. So you're going to be able to do a lot of live streaming with this camera, whether you have a green screen behind you, you want to take that background out, or if you want to do a picture-in-picture to live stream game directly from the console. It's all here. This bad boy, I believe, is $59.99 October 30th. But I don't know what to say. I feel like a grown man at Christmas. I got the headset. I gotta rock this. I got my DualSense. I got my camera. We ready. We're living it up. So I feel really spoiled. I feel really lucky. Thank you so much, Sony, for sending this out. This is a first look unboxing, just like super raw, crazy unboxing of the freaking PS5 with the 4K Blu-ray disc drive. Y'all crazy. We got the HD camera, DualSense ×2, and then obviously my Pulse 3D headset. All right, so there you go. Hope you enjoyed this. Just hanging out, and Christmas comes early. This is wild to me. All right, that's the unboxing of all the kind of goodies here that Sony sent me. round one, I'll have tons of other coverage, more videos to follow up. Maybe some action with this DualSense guy and Astro's Playground, which is loaded on the console, the first thing you can get. And then we'll see what happens from there. All right, this has been awesome. I can't wait to get this bad boy set up. We'll talk to you soon, everybody. Take care. Stick around. We got some goodies coming for you, all right? Peace and love.